Hey Matt. Alrighty, it is time for testing now. And yes, the emails are up and running. I'm going to do an initial test and just walk you through it. But I know that you'll check all the little bits and pieces everywhere because a lot goes into it, obviously. So we'll add this one to the cart. And if you want the option, we can jump straight to the checkout. I no cart. No, we really do need a cart. Look, we can jump straight to the checkout, but the ability to return to the cart is important to be able to update the cart. Obviously, so I'm going to do these one by one. So I'll just remove that. We'll start with the recipe book and proceed to checkout. I'll just I don't want to bore you, so I'll just put the video on pause while I fill these details out. Alright, so for this exercise I've added the coupon code FREEMAT, all in lowercase, to get the 100% discount, just for the purposes of testing. And I press place order, and because it's $0, we shouldn't need to go through your Stripe. There we go. So order received. It gives you your order details and the billing address. And that's good. Now let's check the inbox. So the first thing we get is we've finished processing your order. Bloody bloody blah. Next month, unless there's more pressing stuff, I can go in and change the branding on the invoice. Not that it makes a hell of a lot of difference, because the next thing that should come is the email with the ebook in it, which is heavily branded. So, but having said that, it's one of those little things. It's not as like I say, I've already gone over this month. So, so now it's just a case of waiting for that other email to arrive. Alright, so I had to do some testing, and so in between testing, I have updated the branding now for all your WooCommerce correspondence. So yeah, that looks better for the customer, and also they also then received this email. So here's the one for Jump that I've just received. I'm sorry if this is out of sequence. I think I was showing I'd ordered Protein Book before, but anyway, I'll show you that next. So I just ordered Jump, and then you click on the button and you get to here. Now it does actually take a fair few minutes for that MailPoet one to come through. So we may need to put that in the notes when people receive things. And I'm just going to go to the site again and order the Protein Book again to show you that, because you've just sent the question resubscribers. So let's order this Protein Book, and I'll answer your subscribers question then. We'll add that to the cart. And high protein meals, proceed to checkout. Put in the coupon code, the temporary one. We'll remove this soon when you're happy with everything. And it's remembered all my details, which is good. And they do need to click this. I would like to receive exclusive emails with discounts and product information, optional. They won't get automatically added because of people's privacy and stuff. So there's the checkbox there, and then they place the order. So once again, okay, so again, they get the invoice. They also get the hello, welcome to our newsletter. Please confirm your subscription to our mailing list by clicking the link below. I confirm my subscription. And that's the message they get. You have subscribed to WordPress users, WooCommerce customers. Now, you can go through, like I say, I'm way over time on this now, but you can read through and you can edit those messages in MailPoet. So unfortunately, it will only send that. It will only send up like add to the list in MailPoet. That there's no other options there. Um, so that's we can make the page. That's how it looks like when welcome to our newsletter. Please confirm our subscription and also confirmation page. So it's easier just to have the MailPoet page, but of course then it doesn't have the exact text that you want, and I doubt you can edit that anywhere through here. So it would be a case of making a new page. If you send me the text of what you'd like the message to be, I'll quickly make that page and then chuck that in there, okay? And so, yeah, so then they become part of this list of subscribers, right? And you can create multiple lists just like in MailPoet. So, sorry, that's subscribers. I meant to click on lists, okay? So, here are the lists. There's the newsletter mailing list, the WooCommerce customers, and WordPress users list, okay? And if we view this list, if we go to that one and, oh, sorry, we don't need to click on that. Just go view subscribers, right? Then you can export that list as a CSV file, and then you can add it to MailPoet, all right? Or you can just copy and paste. Without creating a zap or something, that's the easiest way. But I'm kind of hoping that over time you'll start to see the beauty of MailPoet. It can do everything you're doing in MailChimp, yeah, as far as I'm aware. Anyway, so there's that. And just bear with me while we wait for that booklet. Now, while we're waiting, actually, maybe what we need to do is, let's have a look. So under, oh no, it would be under settings, sorry. Under settings, WooCommerce, open the template editor. So completed order. Now we can add columns to this. So I could put in a column here and put in a content block saying, unfortunately I can't put that in there. So maybe that makes more sense to put at the end. Thanks for shopping with us. Your ebook will arrive in your inbox within 30 minutes. Because it's meant to be immediate, but I have found it does take a slight amount of time, so we'll just wait for that. Oh, now, okay, yeah, no, that's all good. All right, so let's just double check that. Yeah, you can see pounds on that page. Don't freak. It is all set up to Australian dollars. All right. All right. Now, yeah, look, I'd say that was about 3 or 5 minutes, and your ebook is here. Download now. All right. So that's all working from what I can see. Now, of course, you can. The next question you might have is, can I change the text in those emails? Yes, you can. So you just go to MailPoet, emails, or you can send me the text, whichever you prefer. You just go to emails, WooCommerce, and the sequence is like, say you wanted to edit jump, okay? So you would go in here and you'd click edit, and it says that it will deactivate this while we're making the changes, and that's okay, that's fine, confirm, right? And then make whatever changes you want to make. You just type it straight in there, you know. Like I assume you'll be happy with this, but then you just press next up at the top when you've made all the changes you want. Okay, and then really just activate. Okay, And we can see the emails here, and we can see our metrics sent to one customer for both of them now. So yeah, so that's tested and working now, and I encourage you to go in and test it as well, just in case there's something I've missed.